wow, everything does seem, that's a real pig. Okay. Hey, buddy. They're taking you to Wendy's. They're going to make a Baconator out of you, okay? I'm just warning you, so if there's ever a chance where he stops the vehicle and you can run out into the woods, just do that, because they're going to turn you into a Baconator, okay? I'm sorry. All right. You ain't got nothing in the vehicle, do you, sir? You ain't got nothing on you, do you? You don't? Okay. You look a little nervous. Watch that hand. Don't be reaching for nothing. Okay. Chad, he ain't got nothing. He clean. I'm not going to lie. He clean to go. All right, sir. I appreciate you having everything in order. You're good to go. You have yourself a beautiful night, okay, sir? Appreciate you. You have a nice day, too, Bubba. Thank you. Next! He wasn't a criminal, though. How you doing, sir? You doing good? Why is every window in your vehicle busted out? Sir, what you got going on? Oh, man, I know it smells like booty in here. Shoo! Wait! Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Right. Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. Let me check the weight of the vehicle real quick. Let me see what the weight. 1,500 on the weight. The vehicle does make weight, chat. Okay, so it says here you got 2 chickens, 4 soap. That's 4 soap and 2 luggage. Wow, chat. All his stuff's in order. Tourism with chickens. So a man can't have 2 pet chickens he takes with him? Exactly. All right, sir, look here, man. Not gonna lie to you, everything looks good to go, so I'm probably gonna let you go. Step out of the vehicle right now. Lord have mercy. What's in here, sir? Oh? What is it?